Ikaw naman yan.
For me, it's a preference. Hindi naman siya mali. Walang tama o mali. Yes and no. Of course, I prefer to be courted as well, to be magkakilala muna tayo. Pero okay lang din naman yung casual sex. It's actually very normal now. It's a decision eh. It's okay na you be to enjoy yung pleasure ng sex. Marami ng tao ngayon na ganun. Pero of course, syempre, yung priority ko pa din is to be courted.
Yes. Kasi it's sweeter, no? May
Yeah.
chase, may thrill.
Yes.
Diba, yung dapat may kilig.
Oo,
Huwag
and-
yung parang gusto mo makipaglaro ng apoy, tara magpabaga tayo.
Agad.
Agad.
May ningas na kagad.
Mahirap din yung casual sex kasi you don't even know these people. It's
Yeah.
actually a sacred energy exchange. So when you do that sacred thing, you also get their traumas,
Yeah.
Totoo.
their insecurities. Minsan, di ba, kung di mo kilala, you're gonna feel bad the day after kasi parang, oh my God, hindi mo kilala, ang dami pala niyang pinagdaanan. Makukuha mo yan kasi it's energy.
Oo.
Yes.
Tsaka
Yeah.
mahirap kasi baka mahawaan ka.
Yun
di mo
nga,
alam
may
kung
ganun din.
May
So
ganun
you
pang
have to be
aspect. The
careful.
health aspect.
You
Yeah.
have to be careful din. You have to be choosy.